right, you guys. So this is page 2 or page 4. Okay. So the first one says we're going from kilograms, okay, to grams. All right. So because I'm going from a larger quantity to a smaller, I'm going to times. All right. When I do that, I'm doing 82 times 1,000. And so my answer is going to be 82,000 grams. 82,000 grams. Okay. The next one, I'm going from 75,000 kilograms to grams. Okay. So again, like it seems like it's going to get super big. It is. All right. Going from kilograms to grams. All right. So the word kilo is 1,000. Okay. So it's 1,000, right, of these in 1,000 grams for each kilogram. Okay. 1,000 grams for each kilogram. So I'm going to times this by 1,000. So you're going to get 75 million. Okay. So again, because I'm timesing by 1,000, I'm going to add 3 more zeros. Okay. 891 grams to milligrams. Okay. I'm going from larger to smaller. I'm going to times it by 1,000. So I'm going to take this 891 times it by 1,000. That means I'm adding three zeros. So that's going to be 891,000 grams. All right. This one, I'm going from 40,000 grams to milligrams, okay? 40,000 grams to milligrams. Again, larger to smaller. So it's only going to get what? Bigger because I'm timesing it by 1,000. When I times it by 1,000, that means I'm going to add 3 zeros, okay? So this will end up being 40 million, all right? So when I look at these, I want to say that the tennis ball is best measured with grams. Okay. Oh, I'm put B for grams. Okay. An ant is best measured like some sugar, so milligrams. A full school bag. Okay, that's like a textbook, right? So I'm gonna put C for kilogram. Kilograms or kilograms. A baby. Okay, I'm gonna measure that in kilograms too. Or like I said, C. Okay. Sand grain, like a sugar one. Okay, so that's going to be milligrams. So A. And then lemon, I will do not a textbook, right, but a paper clip. So that's going to be grams, which is B. All right. Looking at the next one. So again, I'm going from ounces to cups to pints to quarts to gallons. Okay, so you'll learn that there's like 4 quarts in a gallon. 2 pints in a quart, 2 cups in a pint, and 8 ounces in 1 cup. All right. So if you have 41 gallons, right? So it's 4 quarts in a gallon. So you have a ratio of like 1 to 4. So that means like if you have 41 of these, right? I got to times this by 4. So this is going to be 164 quarts. The next one, I got 124 quarts, and I'm going to pints because I'm going from quarts to pints. I'm going from that larger to that smaller. I'm going to times this by 2. So this is going to be 248. Okay. So now for the next one, I have 23 pints, right? And each pint is 1 cup, all right? And I have 23 pints. So that means I have to times this by 2, all right? So again, you can kind of set up those ratios. So you got like 1 pint is 2 cups, right? And so then you have 23 pints, right? So that means you're going to have 46 cups, all right? You're going from 15, right, cups to ounces. That means you're going to times it by 8, okay? So when I do 15 times 8, 5 times 8 is 40. I carry the 4. 1 times 8 is 4 plus 8, or 1 times 8 is 8 plus the 4. It's going to give you 120, okay? All right, so fluid ounces to cups, I'm dividing by 8. So 72 divided by 8 is 9. 46 cups, okay, to pints. So I'm going to divide by 2. Half of 46 is 23. I have 82 pints here, and I'm going to quarts, okay? So again, I'm going from smaller to larger quantity, so I'm going to divide, okay? So I'm going to take half of this. So 82 pints is the same as 41 quarts. Because I know like half of 80 is 40, so half of 82 is 41. So I got 248 quarts to gallons, okay? So I'm going to divide this, okay, by 4, okay? So this goes into a 6 times. 6 times 4 is 24. And then y'all should know that, 4 goes into 8 twice. So then this is going to be 62 gallons. Okay. So let's pick the correct measurements. Okay. So I know this is getting kind of sloppy. So, but for capacity of the water bottle, I would say C because it says water bottle right here. So that's pints. A bathtub, I would say gallons. Okay. Because that's the biggest one. A capacity of a coffee mug. Yeah, I would say cups. Okay. Because, you know, how many cups of coffee? Okay. So I would say cups, which would be B. And for a baby bottle, I would say ounces. Okay. So that would be, even though it's nail polish, like I just know like how many ounces a baby's supposed to have. Okay. So that would be A for ounces. Some people may say B for cup because a baby can, it's a baby. They really shouldn't go over 8 ounces. So fluid ounces is better. Okay. Okay, so scrolling down here, so we have millimeters to liters to kiloliters, all right? So I have 650 milliliters, and I'm going to liters. So I'm going to divide that from milliliters to liters, from smaller to larger, dividing it by 1,000. So I'm going to get 650. Remember, I'm taking away those 3 zeros. I'm going from liters to kiloliters. Again, dividing by 1,000, taking away those 3 zeros. Okay, so that's going to be 52. 283 kiloliters. Okay, I'm going to liters. Okay, larger to smaller. I'm timesing it. That means I'm going to add 3 zeros. Okay. Okay, so that's 283,000. 98 liters to milliliters. Okay, liters to milliliters. Again, larger to smaller. I'm timesing it by 1,000. Okay, so this is going to be 98,000. Okay. Choose the correct unit to measure for each object. So, a swimming pool, definitely use like the biggest one, right? Kiloliters. Okay. A medicine cup. Okay. Smallest one, mLs. Okay. Like if you look on the back of like some medicine, they'll tell you like take this many milliliters or whatever. If it's like fluid, capacity of a laundry basket. Let's see. I would say a liter for a laundry basket. Because that's about a soda bottle. Like I can see like maybe my laundry weighing a couple soda bottles. 8 large trash bags is just a little too much. But I probably do have that much laundry in my house. Okay, so that's going to be B for liter. And a pound, I'm going to pick the biggest one, which is C. All right, so you got seconds, minutes, and hours, so it should be quick. You got 120 seconds. You want to minutes, so you want to divide 120 by 60, or 12 by 6, and you get 2 minutes. You got 480 minutes, all right? And so you're going to divide that by 60, and that's going to be 6 hours, okay? 8 minutes, you're going to times that by 60, okay? And then 8 times 60, well, 8 times 6 is 48, so 8 times 60 is going to give you 480, all right? And then 3 hours, okay, is going to be 3 times 60. So when you do this, you're going to do, 6 times 3 is 18. So 60 times 3 is 180 minutes, okay? So remember a couple things. If you're going from larger to smaller, you're going to multiply. If you're going from smaller to larger, you're going to divide, okay? Remember these like milliliter, kilo, like these terms kind of just tell you which direction to go. Remember, like you go from ounces, fluid ounces to cups to pints to quarts to gallon. Sometimes pints are kind of hard to remember, but as you get used to it, you'll remember it. So like millimeter, like it means really small, and like a kilo is big, so you should know like this is going to be on the lower end, the kilogram or kilo is going to be on the other end, okay? So these just come with practice. So just keep practicing them, and thank you for doing your best, and I will see you guys in class. Bye.